Hey guys, so today I have got another Mindful Souls box to show you. Last time I did this one, everybody seemed to absolutely love it, so obviously I had to get another one. If you didn't see that video, I do have a discount code for 20% off your first box, which is Ms_LunaLily, so I'll put that here on the screen now and down below as well in case you want to go and check them out. It is an American box, but they do ship worldwide. It's $39.97. So they ship to UK and Europe and everything like that, but there will probably be like extra postage and stuff. I'm not too sure, you'd have to check, but I absolutely love this box. So I'm gonna show you what is in it. So the last box we had was a self-care kind of box. This one doesn't really say what it's about. It just kind of gives you a little slip with all of the items on it that I'm just going to show you, and it says our card for this month is an affirmation for ownership. So I'm not sure if that has something to do with it, maybe. It says I can pick and choose what I want to do. So you do get one of these little cards, these little affirmation cards every month, which is really cute. You can like keep a little set of them. Our sticker this month is very pretty and colourful. So that is our little sticker, and then we will get straight into the items. So I'm gonna leave what I think is the best thing till last because it's the biggest and the most fancy and I've never seen one before, so we're gonna leave that till last. I'll start off with this. So we've got some white sage leaves in this little bag. Now they smell super strong, and I will read out what the little card says. So sage is a plant whose scent is revered for its ability to purify, protect and elevate space. With clear intentions established, use a white sage smudge stick to open the mind up to forgiveness, compromise and other stages of emotional progress. Burning sage or smudging can have a significant impact when used after an argument, after an illness, before or after parties, after an intense workout, prior to meditation, when moving into a new space, and during periods of grieving. The smoke from dried sage actually changes the ionic composition of the air and can have direct effect on reducing our stress response. So that's something I never knew. Very interesting. So that is our little bag of sage. Then we've got all of our little burlap kind of bags with the logo on them with all our little bits in. The first one we've got is, oh, it's got some string on it, is a tiger's eye sphere. So that is what it looks like. You can see my filming light shining in it, I apologise. That is our little tiger's eye sphere that we've got. And the card says, when fear enters our decision-making process, our choices get skewed. To see the path ahead clearly, improve your foresight with a tiger's eye sphere. Tiger's eye's healing properties protect us from seeing the worst in ourselves. Instead, tiger's eye healing energy blesses the third eye with confidence, courage, strength and harmony so that our perspective isn't tainted by self-doubt or insecurities. To activate your crystal, sit quietly holding your crystal in both hands. Breathe in the highest white light and visualize your intention for your crystal. So that is the tiger's eye sphere that we got. Then next is one of two jewelry items we got. So this is a really pretty rose quartz bracelet. It's got little silver charms over here. It is stretchy, so you can fit it on most wrists really. I have a really big wrist and it fits me really well, so I'm sure it will fit most people. So that is that. And it says, thinking of self-care as a necessity rather than a luxury that you don't have time for will set you up for a happier and healthier life. Self-care is all about making time to nurture yourself and loving yourself unconditionally. Bless yourself with compassion by connecting to the rose quartz energy of this bracelet. Rose quartz brings the focus to how strong and powerful you are, regardless of what's happening in your body. It begs you to love yourself at every stage. So that is very cute. And that is our rose quartz bracelet. Next, I think this is the other jewellery item. Yep, so this is a yellow Apatite waning crescent necklace. Not something I've ever heard of before. It's kind of like a bronze colour with a crescent moon at the bottom. Oh, it's a little bit tangled, 1 second. There we go. It's got a bronze moon at the bottom, and then it's got this tiny little yellow chip here attached that dangles. I've never heard of apatite before, not in the crystal sense anyway. So it says, the waning crescent moon symbolises the end of the old cycle, the start of approaching a new one. Detach yourself from the world and rest. It's time to think things over and contemplate the things you should let go. Apatite is a dual action stone known for its positive use of personal power to achieve goals. It clears away confusion, apathy and negativity, then stimulates the intellect to expand knowledge and truth, which may be used for personal growth or for the collective good. It's a stone of manifestation, promoting a humanitarian look and service to others. So that is our necklace. And then we have one more thing before the biggest item in the box, and I've left this one as second to last because this is a big chunk. So this is a moss agate, and I can barely get it out. This is so pretty. I'm gonna get a bit closer so you can see this better. I think this is maybe one of the prettiest stones I've ever had in a box. So it's a huge chunk, and it's got really like separated layers. It's super sparkly. It's not really showing up how like glittery it is on camera at all, but it's got these cute little like geode spots in it that are super sparkly inside. I wish it was showing up. I'm gonna shine my phone flash in there and see if that helps all. I don't know if that's helping at all. Probably not, because I've already got a light on it and it's not showing up very well, but there is these little sparkly parts anyway. And I've never seen one with such, like, it literally looks like it's got moss inside it. That is crazy. So that is our moss agate. Amazing. This one says it carries a strong connection with nature, mending its healing and nurturing energy to you. It teaches us to appreciate and enjoy each moment we have with the earth, helping us to set an intention for healing the planet. Associated with the heart chakra, moss agate also helps facilitate the release of old habits and fears to inspire growth. So that is that huge chunk, and that wasn't even the biggest item in the box. So I think that last one and this one now are equally my favorites. That's super pretty. But lastly we have this, which I have never seen before, and this is a clear quartz energy generator. So as you can see, it has a little sphere in the middle, and then it's got these 7 clear quartz around it. They're all a little different, and each one has a different coloured tiny little stone on the top. Super pretty. Hopefully it's showing up on the camera. So this says, having an energy generator crystal in your space will help to clear out negative energies, giving you peace of mind during your daily life. These generators raise the energy from the earth to the sky and can bring universal light and knowledge into your space. It's a great tool for meditation, healing, and general support, and can also be used to charge other crystals. Clear quartz is a master healer crystal and it amplifies the energy of the crystal it is placed near. Place energy generators in your home or workspace to protect, activate and transmute energy. So I can't be 100% sure on what all these tiny little crystals on the top are, so I'm not even going to try because I don't want to butcher what all these colours are, but this is amazing. Love this. Definitely one of the coolest crystal items I've ever got. And yeah, that was everything in the Mindful Souls box. So right at the bottom, just in case anyone is wondering, it does say it's important to cleanse and energize your crystals as soon as you obtain them. Allow your crystals to sit under cool running tap water for 10 to 20 minutes. If you're near a natural river, stones can be placed in a mesh bag and left for a short time in the natural running water. Just in case crystals are your thing, I thought I would say that part. So yeah, that was our Mindful Souls box. Absolutely loved it. I loved the last one. I loved this one. Those last two crystals were incredible. So I will grab everything and show you it all together at once. So we've got the white sage leaves, the rose quartz bracelet, the tiger's eye sphere, the huge chunk of moss agate, the apatite crescent moon necklace, and the clear quartz crystal energy generator. So all of these things in the Mindful Souls box. If I find out which one this was, I will put it somewhere in the description or something, but this was amazing. Absolutely loved it. You'll have to let me know what you thought of it down below and which your favorite item was. Like I said, if you are interested in getting it, I do have the discount code, so I'll put the link and everything down below for them in case you want to go and check it out. But yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.